In this quick tutorial, we're going to show you how you can change the audio language on a YouTube video. If you find this video helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more useful tips. Now, whether you're more comfortable in another language or you just want to better understand the content, switching the audio language can make a huge difference. Just keep in mind, not all YouTube videos offer multiple audio tracks. It kind of depends on what the uploader provides. To do this, begin by opening up the YouTube app and finding the YouTube video that you would like to go ahead and watch. I'm going to go ahead and just choose this one right here just because it's up at the top. If an ad obviously pops up, simply go ahead and skip it. But once you get in the video itself, you're going to want to go ahead and actually pause it and go and click on the settings gear in the top right corner. And from here, either go ahead and click more and find audio track, or if audio track already picks up, go ahead and click on it. And you can see a bunch of different options. If there is no audio track option on either of them, that means that video probably doesn't have that setting. But if there is one, you can go ahead and click on it and find pretty much any other language that you would like to put it on. For example, I'm going to put this one on German real quick. And if I actually go ahead and hit play and turn it up, as you can see, it's in German. But that's it. Your video is now going to play with the selected audio language that you chose. If this video helped, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for even more quick tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.